Hey there, here for another quick show on a little knife of Sanrenmu 2. Okay, so this is the Sanrenmu C97 mini stainless steel folding knife. Okay, fasttech, and the SKU is 1138505. Okay, let's unbox it. This knife, another one I received today. Yeah, let's see. Okay, guys, I use it already. Sorry, blood. I used it already today to open a pack of 4 Coca-Cola, and all I can say is it's fucking sharp, man. Yeah, so little, so sharp, so good. Yeah, wanna see how little it is? Yeah, how little it is. How little it is, guys. How little. How little. How little and how sharp it is. It's just amazing, this sharp. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay. Very, very, very tiny. Let's see. It's almost so tiny, this little blue one. It's probably tiny. Open it as this. Okay, so yeah. It's fucking. I can do a comparison with my Spyderco bug if you want. Okay, 1 second. Let me get the bug out here. Okay, this is my bug, fellas. My Spyderco bug. Okay, yeah, just a little bit more. Okay, okay. It's very, 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 very little, man. How little is this? How little this can be? I love this knife. Okay, so it's have a little keychain, so you can use on your keychain. And yeah, it's very good. Recommend this one for you. Okay, bye.